Genetics, it is a subdiscipline of biology that is concerned with the research of heredity and its biological processes, the investigation of genes, the study of the genome, the cell cycle, the study of heredity, the inheritance of genes, and many other topics. Genetics is the study of the working and major codes of variation and heredity, as well as their interactions. The term inheritance refers to the foundation upon which heredity is built. As described by the dictionary, it is the process by which qualities are passed down from one generation to the next. He is renowned as the father of modern genetics for his discoveries into the fundamental laws of heredity that he made throughout his lifetime. By Gregor Mendel, he established the law of inheritance. The garden Pia, Pisum sativum, was the plant on which Mendel conducted his 7-year experimentation before coming to the conclusion that the rules of inheritance apply to living organisms. Mendel selected 7 key traits of the Pisum sativum plant for his studies on hybridization after conducting extensive research on the plant. Mendel employed true breeding lines, which are lines that go through regular self-pollination and have a consistent level of distinctive inheritance in his research. Mendel's laws of inheritance, the fundamental principles of inheritance. Observing the monohybrid cross, Gregor Mendel postulated 2 laws of inheritance. The law of dominance states that distinct elements, referred to as factors, determine the properties of a system. These 2 elements are present at all times as a pair. One of the couple's constituent genes has a significant advantage over the other. Segregation law. Alleles do not mix, and the 2 features are retained throughout the gamete production process in the F2 generation. The characters are distinct from one another and are passed on to different gametes. Homozygous generates gametes that are similar in appearance, while heterozygous produces gametes that are different in appearance and have different traits. It is the discovery that was made after Mendel's research was completed. Completive dominance is a genetic condition that occurs when both alleles do not express the same dominant trait, leading to an indistinguishable combination of traits or a midway between the features of the alleles. Codominance, the combination of 2 alleles that do not have a dominant recessive connection, and so affect the creature as a whole. The law of independent assortment is a law that governs how things are arranged in a collection. When 2 sets of characteristics are combined to form a hybrid, the separation of one set of characteristics is independent of the separation of the other set of characteristics. When it comes to inheritance, the chromosomal theory is the most widely accepted. Both the genes and chromosomes are found in pairs, just as they are in pairs of 2. The homologous chromosome contains the 2 alleles of a gene pair that are found in the homologous places on the parent chromosome. In the event that a set of chromosomes is coupled and then separated, this will result in a split in the set of genes factors that they carry. The chromosomal theory of inheritance is the name given to this collection of knowledge. Conclusion: children and their parents differ in terms of the level of dissimilarity that exists between them and their parents, as the name implies. It can be assessed by taking into consideration the behavioral, cytological, physiological, and morphological characteristics of individuals belonging to the same species as the one in question.